it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I have got for you the Elsa box. So yes, it's ColourPop week this week and you'll have already seen my unboxing of the Anna box, but today we're talking about the Elsa box. How pretty is this? So yes, I'm just going to show you the amazing ColourPop products that we get in the Elsa Frozen 2 box and talk you through those. If you've seen the Anna one already, you will know the kind of setup of that. If you haven't, please make sure you go and check that out. It's absolutely fabulous. And I've also done the ColourPop highlighters and some lipsticks. And tomorrow I'm going to be doing the Super Shock shadows. So without further ado, let me show you this kit. Okay, so this is the Elsa box. It's of much of the similar design as the Anna box. It's got this beautiful kind of sketched cartoon-esque design of Elsa, which is really beautiful. And then it's got snowflakes in there. Some are like a very shiny metallic, and there's also bits of like glittery ones on there. I don't know if the glitter's picking up as much, but it's an absolutely beautiful gift box, just like the Anna one. It's just super duper pretty. And again, it has the bow to open. So if we open inside, please excuse my nails, by the way. I haven't got anything on them, just a strengthening base coat. They're all breaky at the minute. Okay, so if we open up, again, it's laid out like the Anna set was. We have our glitter gel pot here. Then we have a lipstick, a lip gloss. This one I feel like might be more of a topper shade. We'll show you that. And then we have the palette. And the palette this time is of like wintry hues. Anna's was more autumnal. So let's have a little look at those. I'm going to swatch the palette first and the gel, and then I'll try on the lipsticks for you. So if you saw my video with the Anna palette swatches and things, you will notice that the design is pretty much the same. It's obviously this sketch design on the outside of the palette. We open up, we have 9 different shades, and we have a mirror, which is like really useful for traveling and things. So here are our colors. We have some stunning shades. We have a very snowflakey looking one here. This silver looks very metallic and pretty. This one has kind of iridescent little flicks of glitter in it, flecks. Yeah, some super sheeny and some matte shades. Really looking forward to swatching it. So as ever, I will just pop the palette down and do them row by row onto my arm. Okay, so we're going to start with our first shade, which is called, oh my goodness, I can't see it, Cuddle Close. I genuinely almost couldn't see that. So this looks like a kind of shimmery, almost iridescent, like white pearly shade. It felt a little dusty. Yeah, maybe it's coming off a little dusty. But it has a bit of a shimmer to it. Like I say, it's like a pearlescent white shimmer with like pink undertones. That looks better after the second swipe. Quite pretty. Okay, our next one is called Fire, and it's kind of like a pale terracotta shade. So this is a matte shade. Ooh. Pigment's good on it. Oh, let's clean that little bit up there. But the pigment's nice on that. It's a really good like neutral shade, really. Something that I would actually probably wear like in everyday. So our next one is called the Northern Lights, and it's like a shimmery like brown, but I think there's like slight flecks of other colours in there. So let's give that one a little swatch. Ooh, that feels buttery smooth. Ooh, oh, wow. I don't know if you can tell as well, but that's like super pretty, like really catching the light. It's got like yellowy, greeny golds in it. It's absolutely gorgeous when it catches the light. It kind of looked nice with just a topper for this shade. That's beautiful. Okay, then our next one is kind of a purple shimmer shade, perhaps less shimmery than the likes of these. Oh, again, though, it just feels super like smooth and buttery. Okay, so I didn't dig too hard. Maybe that's my bad. But again, this is kind of like more of a sheen. I suppose these are Elsa shades, so they're probably meant to be more icy, which I think they're actually kind of giving off. They're actually really pretty, like topper shades, these ones. I think they're actually pretty stunning. This one I'm in love with. Right then, next shade is this fabulous little guy here. It's got like big glitter particles in it. It's called Flurry. Now, if it's like the last one, I thought it was just going to be like glitter on top, but it went all the way down. So, oh, okay, this one feels a bit more like a gel. Not going to touch that too hard, but it's picking up what I can only describe as ice. It's like icy glitter. Oh, wow. I don't think the camera's picking this up as beautiful. It's got in there like flecks of lilac glitter, like green glitter. There's like goldy, pinky glitter. It's actually, I mean, it looks pretty on the screen, like how reflective it is, but in person, wow, it's like crushed diamonds is the only way I can think to describe it. It is very kind of, yeah, a little bit more bitty, is that the word? I don't know, than the Anna glitter, but genuinely one of the prettiest glitter shades I've seen. Really, really nice. So let's move on to this one then. It's a blue shade called Water, and it's quite matte. It looks like it's going to have good pigment. Yeah, I think decent pigment on just like a first swipe. It's a nice blue. I don't wear an awful lot of blues, but that one looks like a nice kind of subtle wintry blue. Right, we're moving on to this, but I keep getting distracted by this catching the light. It's so pretty. Okay, so this one is called, what is this one called? Awakened. And it's like a warm, reddy, winey kind of colour with flecks of different coloured glitter in it. It's probably similar glitter to this type of colours. Okay, so the pigment's fab. Are we picking up much glitter? I can see it in person. I don't think the camera's picking up. You can see a slight glisten. It's a lot more glisteny than that, which is a shame. Because if you can see, I think it picks it up a bit better on there. It is quite shiny, sparkly, and I can see it in person, but I don't think the camera's picking it up, it is a shame. But the pigment on that shade's actually really, really, like, bonkers. So that's a good one to have in your arsenal. Okay, our next, oh, I'm locking the camera, so sorry. Our next one is called Ice Crystals, and it looks like a pretty damn good silver. So, okay, it's kind of soft, but not like I can't stick my fingers in. Ooh, it's gonna look like a mirror. Okay, so it's a super shimmery, metallic silver, I guess. It's coming up perhaps a little more blue on the camera, but it is just very much like that in person, but a little more muted, I guess. It's really nice. So our last one is this one, and it's like a wine colour, and it is called, what is it called? Spindrift. I haven't seen Frozen 2 yet, so I don't know. All these references are kind of lost on me. Okay, that's some deep pigment right there. I think I dug a little deep, which I believe is probably the reason for the fallout. Just there. My bad. Oh, look, now I've made a mess. Sorry, guys. This is just a baby wipe. I aren't using anything crazy to get them off. Okay, so there are our colours. It's kind of hard to get them all on at once. But we've got some lovely shimmers. This one's quite a subtle shimmer, really. It's definitely metallic, but it's not as shimmery as, say, you know, these ones. The pigment on the matte shades, unbelievable. Really, really nice. This glitter genuinely looks like crushed up diamonds or like unicorn dust or something on my arm. And honestly, in person, it's even more impressive than it is on here. The camera's really not picking it up as spectacularly as it looks. So those are our colours from the Elsa palette. The Anna palette I did the other day, so please go check that one out. I absolutely adore these. This is my favourite of the other shades, and this blown me away, to be honest, the glitter. And the pigment on these is fab. I perhaps prefer the Anna palette, but that's just because maybe they're more my type of colours. Like, these are quite dark for my everyday use. Not really a blue wearer. These two I think I can get use out of. Definitely. Well, I'd probably get use out of them all, just it's not something I'd reach for often. But I do really, really like it. I'm impressed with the palette. Really, these ColourPop palettes are fab. Okay, so while I've got you up close, let's look at this little pot of fabulousness, which is the Dark Sea, and it's the Glitterally Obsessed Glitter Gel. This one, it's like a body gel glitter type of a thing. So inside this one, we have this very icy, frosty gorgeousness. It's very similar kind of colours to the super glittery shade in the palette. But obviously it's a gel, you can use this kind of all over. You don't need to press very hard at all to get a lot out. So I'm just going to kind of swatch that a little bit on there. Again, I don't think the amazingness of these colours are coming up as well. I mean, obviously you're picking up quite a bit, but it's all more like this bit shining right now. It's so beautiful. The pair of these are just, when they catch the light, amazing. So this would be really nice for like festival looks, or if you're going to a fancy dress party, or if you just want to feel that little bit extra. Who doesn't love a bit of glitter? So, oh my goodness, how fabulous are the eye shades? I'm so impressed with these Frozen palettes and things. ColourPop is amazing. I can't believe we don't have it in the UK. Like, really can't believe it. It's so unfair. Okay, next let's talk about the lipsticks. So first let me show you the gloss, which is this beautiful kind of glittery silver kind of icy gloss, and it is called Mythic Journey. So that's absolutely like beautiful. I'm inserting a trial clip of it for you now. It's like my childhood dream kind of like teenage lip gloss. I would have loved that as a child. I think it's just so pretty. I'm not a big gloss wearer, but I just found it really, really pretty. Okay, next, the lipstick, and it is actually what I'm wearing right now, but I will insert a little clip of me trying it a little closer. So it is one of their cream lipsticks, and this one is called Little Snow. It's kind of a berry red shade. It's kind of almost raspberry-ish, I might describe it as. It's a really, really nice colour. I really, really like it. I think possibly I prefer the lip products in here to the Anna palette, but those are really nice too. It's just nice to have so many options. So guys, that was the Elsa set. How lovely are these sets? Honestly, I am over the moon. They are honestly one of the best things that I got for Christmas this year. So I really, really like them. If you guys have liked, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think of the Elsa box. Let me know which one you like better, the Anna or the Elsa box. I'm kind of torn. I think I prefer the lip products in here, but possibly prefer the eyeshadow palette in the Anna box. But this one is absolutely fab too. I don't want to have to choose between the two of them. I love them both. I'm over the moon. You know, makeup, Disney, sparkly stuff. It's fabulous. I'm so genuinely excited about these sets. I love them. So make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. I've got plenty of videos coming up. Tomorrow we're going to be doing a Super Shock Shadows video. Spoiler alert, one of them is on my eyes right now and it's amazing. So yeah, check that out. And until next time, I will see you soon.